I'm looking in my Shibaswap once again. Another benefit of using Shibaswap, especially when you're burying your SHIB, you can get the bone rewards, you're getting wrapped Ethereum, and now you're getting Ryoshi tokens rewards. And let's talk about it even more to a deeper level. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. More rewards, more rewards. And you see this Twitter from the Ryoshi Vision Twitter page. A milestone in Ryoshi Vision. All 81K ex-SHIB hodlers are starting to see equal amount of Ryoshi rewards in the buried section of Shibaswap. And when I check it here, I see 14 million, over 14 million. And then it's one thing of the tokenomics is really, really powerful when it comes to the Shibaswap. But I looked deeper into this. So it said 20 weeks, according to the information, 20 weeks, each week for the next 6 months that it says right here, we should be getting equal amount of actually Ryoshi Vision rewards. So I took it to the actually math. Let's do the math right now. So I did from first week to the 20th week. This is how many tokens you would have. So let me go ahead and zoom it in. This is how many actually rewards you would have in 20 weeks if it continued to stay in the same amount. Remember, all I did was just grab this and I just pasted into each week into the columns. Now, you'll get that just by burying your SHIB. And yes, this is not wolfing or anything. You can wolf it out, which is fine because it goes right to your Coinbase wallet or to your MetaMask or anything like that, which is fine. But still, it'll still end up being 291,000 at some particular point within that 6 months. But check it out. What happens if the price starts to move as well? Now, I did a little math here, and you may agree to disagree, but I got all excited because I kept thinking this. I look at the tokenomics, I look at this email in terms of this tweet here, and I keep looking at this 14 million in here each and every single week. But anyway, let me calm down. Calm down. Woosah. But anyway, let me go back into here. So the price goes and moves. And let's say you just keep your Ryoshi Vision tokens in there. You don't swap them out. You just hodl, diamond hands. And let's say, this gets to 5 zeros. 5 zeros if it's this price. Let me go ahead and zoom in. So a little bit more. So let's say, okay, that's my rewards. And this is without any type of additional Ryoshi Vision. This is just the weekly amount that you get. So 5 zeros, $368. Not bad. Remember, you never invested a dime into that. So I don't want to hear it that, oh, it only cost $368. You didn't even invest it. You never even paid a dime. So let's go for the second category. 4 zeros, $3,681. Not bad at all. Now I understand the market cap has to be this. I understand Bitcoin may have to be this. I understand other factors may play in this. I'm just giving you something to just think about. Not necessarily giving you any advice, something to think about. So anyway, look at the third column here, right here. 3 zeros, gets down to 3 zeros. Right now, at this current day on August 30th, 2021, it is 6 zeros in the Ryoshi Vision price. Let's go ahead and look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 zeros. Let's just keep this really simple, very, very easy. So 6 zeros. Okay, let's say it gets down to 3 zeros. Now that's $36,815. That's something to really, really consider. But let's say, you know what, diamond hands. I'm gonna keep this for a longer period of time. I believe in the Ryoshi Vision in terms of the platform and what it's trying to do. And I decided to wait to 2 zeros. $368,000. Oh my goodness. Now we can really do something really, 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 really special with that $368,000. But let's say, you know what? My goal is 1 cent. I believe in it. I believe in Shibaswap, the ecosystem, and other assets along the way that the Shibaswap is doing. And so I waited, and the market cap went up, obviously, and it went to 1 cent. $3 million on something that you just buried and something that you just kind of waited in diamond hands and you did nothing. So what I'm saying is, I'm not guaranteeing you hit these prices. I know a lot of factors have to come in through this, but this is actually just a reward for you and me. And for me, I'm going to enjoy this. I'm going to continue giving you scenarios, more tutorials, more education, more edutainment to help you think about what the next step that you could possibly do for yourself and for your family. But this number right here is very, very lovely. But I understand there's a lot that we have to do to get to that number. But it goes back to this. Each week, this adds up, it accumulates. This accumulate each and every single week. Now for me, I'm burying my SHIB in 2 different wallets. So this actually doubles for me personally. So you always want to diversify and try new things, because I'm burying something on the Wallet Connect and the Coinbase wallet and the MetaMask. Absolutely. But anyway, guys, take a look at this. And I'm not saying to hit these prices, but it's a possibility. That's 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, and that's the revenue that it would do. And this is pure profit, because remember, you never invest a dime. Man, oh my goodness. It is a special time to be in Shibaswap. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Man. Just think about this. Just enjoy this. And also, before I let you go, I understand you may be thinking, well, I'm not getting a lot of bone. I'm not getting another Wrap Ethereum. Listen, bone and Wrap Ethereum is a bonus. And Ryoshi Vision coming in there, this makes this Shibaswap, it's just another layer that makes your Shibaswap special. I understand the fees. Is a distraction, but it should not stop us. We may have to go to plan B, plan C, plan D. We may have to think of a different strategy. And that's exactly what I'm trying to do as well. My name is Adam Shelton, 𝐘𝐨𝐿. I'll see you on the next video.